Hello.
Yeah, sometimes your voice is glitching, but right now you are audible and visible. So, okay, as we are meeting very for the first time, once again, please could you introduce yourself?
Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Sangeeta and I am from Bihar, Nalanda. Nalanda, I am, and if I talk about my qualifications, I have completed my graduation from Magad University, and I am here for improve my communication and skill because of the I need job, so I am finding the job. That's all about me.
Okay, that's very nice. That's a very outstanding introduction from your side. So now it's my turn to introduce myself. This is me, Muhammad Imran. I'm from Pakistan. By profession, I have done three electrical diploma, and also I have a small YouTube channel, which name is Speak Easy with Imran. That's why I'm here, and that's a Microsoft team groups. Sometime I drop message here in the group. Anybody who want to talk with me, just for English improvement. So to talk with them to improve my English and communication skill, just for English improvement. Yeah, this is all about from my side.
Okay, that's great. Nice to meet you.
Okay,
Okay,
nice to
so
meet you too.
are you using this application continue? How when did you join this application?
Well, ma'am, if I talk about this application, before it was Skype application. It has been converted to their paid service. The people are not able to, they can connect through Skype or through Microsoft Team application. There is no option to record the session. The people nowadays, I think they join their what can I forgot the name, Meet application. People they can talk on this application. They can record the sessions. So before I had some session, they are Indian people, but after that, I don't have any facility to talk with them and record your session. Right now, most of the Indian people and YouTuber they can talk on this application on video call or audio call. They drop message, they leave message here. Anybody comfortable, then after they can start conversation. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I have been using this application when I was using a Skype application. Yeah, a Skype application is very good application. That application was there was a recording features on that platform, but in these teams there is no any option to recording. So that's why YouTuber they are struggling and they are struggling to find learner co-learner to easy. But Skype application was very good application. YouTuber they find easily learner to make video their video and they upload video on their YouTube channel. So okay, that's
Yeah.
great. How like how many videos you have uploaded on YouTube and how is going on your YouTube channel?
Well, ma'am, I have created my YouTube channel before since 2025, but I am not too much consistent. After that, few months before I start work on my YouTube channels, I upload some solo video and short videos and some conversation only to 3 4 videos conversation video I upload on my YouTube channel. After that, I try my best to upload some session on my YouTube channel to help your learner to improve their English. Anybody who want to talk with me for English improvement, if they can learn something through this channel, it is very essential, very beneficial for us to improve our English for a short span of time and very
Okay, what is your
Hello.
hobbies?
My hobby are writing, reading, listening, speaking, and I also play cricket.
Okay. Do you have like any kind of confidence when someone said you say you that can you represent any kind of topic with public speaking, like there is lots of people in front of you and you are and some of people said you, can you represent yourself in front of someone and in front of people? Will you able to deliver your thought in front of people?
Okay, you are very interesting question. It was a very nice, very good question from your side. Let's suppose anybody who want to invite you, you can represent yourself in front of their people. You can deliver your message. You can say something in front of their people. So yeah, of course, definitely anybody they look their any confidence in yourself. It's totally depend upon you. If you are uh, talented, if you are eligible, you can consider yourself I can do this thing. So of course this thing is not too much difficult, it is not very hard for anybody. I'm not say like that let's suppose I can deliver my message in front of people. So it's totally depend upon you. Any kind of challenges, any kind of difficulties, when you can pass them, so you will be never come back. You can try your best, you can pass these problems, so automatically you will be come across many difficulties, many challenges, then of course you will be tolerated, and you will be must reach your destination. There will be nothing happening in front of you.
Yes, you are right. Whatever you explain, I am agree with your point. First you should believe on yourself. If you have believe on yourself and you think like I am able to do, I am able to deliver my thoughts, so definitely you will deliver your thought in front of people. There is no any compulsory like I am unable to do. So totally depends on yourself which kind of
Yeah.
mentality you have. Okay, you know, if I talk about when I was beginner and you are beginner, at that time I think maybe we were a struggle a lot. I was never thought like one day I will able to speak in front of camera, but now I am able to speak and I am able to deliver my thought because of my confidence, and I believe myself. So same like in front of people and speaking, public speaking. So if you have believe and you are trust on yourself, so definitely you will able to do. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, that's true. That's really true. So the most important things, you can believe yourself. If you don't believe yourself, everything, if it is easy things, you will be not able to. You can do it. So the main important things is confidence. If you can trust, you can confidence yourself. Anything, if it will too much hard, too much difficult, so of course you can do, it will be easy for you. You will be considered it is very easy. Everything is easy when you are crazy, nothing is easy when you are lazy.
Yes, yes, yes. I have done my whole study in Hindi medium, okay, and I haven't think about that. I will have to speak this language one day, and I will have to need this language. I didn't think about this language. My native language is Hindi, and I completed my whole study in Hindi medium. But when I was doing a study 12th standards and 10th standards, at that time I wanted to improve this language, but there was no any need, and my environment was only Hindi. So I didn't care about this language. But after came from my native place in nowadays I live Gurugram, nearby Delhi. I live in Delhi, okay. And nowadays I am facing lots of challenges because of this language. And nowadays I am searching job, but I am unable to get positive response from HR and from any company because of this language. I have MTI issue, mother tongue issue. I am facing. That's why I do not get any positive response from any company and from any with HR. But now I am trying to improve my communication skill and I want to remove my mother tongue issue. So tell me, like, can you give me any kind
Hello.
of hello? Am I audible? Hello, am I audible and visible?
Yeah, but you are audible and yeah, you are audible and visible, but sometimes your voice is glitching in the middle. But I didn't get some points. But you mentioned about your English journey before. You are you are very enthusiastic, very passionate about your English, 9th or 10th grade. You start your journey in the time you are not able to, you can speak English very properly. So that was the reason. Yeah, of course, anybody who want to continue their journey, they can improve each and everything in very short span of time. It will be not happen to anywhere.
Yes, yes, you're right.
Now audible. Keep on.
Okay. So how do you practice? And are you doing only a speaking practice or you are doing something else like reading, listening? Which kind of method and tips do you apply for this language?
No.
You know, I, we all are make like a very huge mistake. English is just a language. So I think practice is
Yeah.
enough for us. Am I right?
Yeah. Yes, yes, you are right. You are 100% right. It is just a language. It is not a difficult. We say it is very difficult. Just we can give time to it. It will very easy for us. There will be nothing happened. Let's suppose someone say it is difficult. It is not my cup of tea to improve my English. Just it needs to time. So how much you can give time, that much your English will be improved.
Okay, okay, that's great. So, like, I am asking you, like, which kind of method and tips do you apply for learning this language?
Okay, which kind of tips or tricks I apply for my English improvement? Well, I say, first of all, I'm listening a lot. How much I can listening? I give more time to listening. Second, speaking. Speaking is also very important. Let's suppose if you just listening, you don't give time to speaking. It is not enough for you. These two things are related to each other. We can give more time to speaking and listening. The other thing is that when I come across any new vocabulary words, any harsh words, alternative words, I try my best to write these words my notebook and notepad. Then after I try to put these words ChatGPT and other AI tools, Google, to find the exact and right meaning. I try to use these words in my communication and speaking. So other thing is that sometime I join some Zoom meeting and online video conversation, some apps for my English. I joined more WhatsApp groups, as well as I use some apps. Through these things, I can improve my English.
Okay, okay. Do you have any question from myself?
No, ma'am, I don't have any exact question, so I'll ask from you. Have you have any questions? So you can ask me. Otherwise, we will wrap up the session. So the next time, if you have. any topic if you want to talk with me. So I will be ready for you. You
No,
can
no,
drop a message.
I
We can talk to later.
right now I don't have any question in my mind from yourself. But if you want to wrap up this call, then you can wrap up this call. And it was good conversation with you. We can connect again when you will free and when you make video call like video recording on Zoom meeting. So I am agree and I want to make video with you video call because you have YouTube channel, so you can upload video on your YouTube channel. Mm. If you want, then
Okay, thank you, Bandalwa. Bandala, thanks. It was nice talking to you. It was nice confabulation with you. Of course, I hope the next time we will reconnect to you. So I want to talk with you. You can drop a message, then I'll drop a message to you. Okay, it was nice talking to you. Okay, thank you,
yes, it
Bandala.
was
Thanks, ma'am.
nice.
Okay,
Thanks,
thank
thank
you,
you so much.
Bandala.
Nice to
Thanks.
talk to you.